If you want to create eye-catching Instagram posts that form a beautiful grid on your profile, then this video is perfect for you. Today, I'll show you step-by-step how to make an Instagram grid post using Canva in a simple and beginner-friendly way. First, open Canva and log into your account. On the homepage, click on Create a Design and choose a custom size. For a grid post, you'll need a larger canvas that can be split into multiple squares. A common size is 3240 by 3240 for a 3x3 grid, which means each individual post will be 1080 by 1080 pixels. Now, design your full image across this large canvas. Add text, images, colors, and elements just like you normally would. The key here is to think of the design as one big picture that will later be divided into smaller posts. Make sure important text is not cut between sections unless it's part of your design style. Once your design is ready, you need to split it into individual posts. Canva doesn't always split grids automatically, so here's an easy method. Go to Elements and search for grid lines or squares and divide your design visually into equal parts. Then duplicate the page multiple times and crop each section manually to create separate posts. Another easier option is to download the full image and use a grid splitting tool or app to divide it into equal squares. After splitting, you'll have multiple images ready to upload. Now, upload these images to Instagram in the correct order. This step is very important. Start by posting the bottom right image first, then move left and go row by row upwards. This ensures your grid appears correctly on your profile. After uploading all posts, your Instagram profile will display one large connected image that looks very professional and attractive. So, in simple words, to create an Instagram grid post, design a large image, divide it into squares, and upload them in the correct order. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple content creation tutorials. See you in the next video.